Hello guys, in our previous video we prepared a different crystal structure of catalyst particles like cubic, hexagonal and spherical, and in this video we will prepare one catalyst particle deposit on the layers of other atoms crystals. So now delete by pressing X and delete the camera as well by pressing X. Now, first of all, we will make a spheres by Shift A, pressing Shift A. So we will get a U spheres. We can see that the size is 1. So press S and get 0.08. This is 0.08 size. Now Shift D to make its duplicate as we know that, and move along the y-axis like this. Okay. Now this is our basic. So what we will do now, we will first make shade smooth. Now we want to make a platform layers for another catalyst particle. For this, press A, go to the modifier properties, add modifier, array. As you can see, there are two number of atoms along the x-axis. As we increase the count 3, the atoms are increasing in the x direction. So now there are 21 atoms in the x directions. Okay, now we want to make more lines of atoms in the y direction as well, like this. So press this again, go to this modifier, add modifier, come to array. Now another array will appears, but if you increase the it will increase in the x direction like this. The line will be increased, but we don't want in the x direction. We want to increase the lines along the y direction. So make y 1 and x 0, like 0. So now it will form along the y direction like this, 3, 4, 5. As we increase the counts, the layer will be formed along the y directions. Okay, 35 layers has been made alongside the y directions. We can see that we got a plane. Now we want to increase these planes in the z direction, upward direction as well. You can get the idea from x, y and z. It will make easy from here, you can see. Okay, so click on this plane, go to again modifier properties, add modifier, and this array. The third array will be appeared here. Again the same, if you increase the counts, so it will increase in the x direction. We don't want to increase in x direction, we want to increase in z direction. So make it 0 and make it 1. Now it increase in the z direction like this, decrease because 2 counts. If we increase 3, 4, it will increase up to your desire. We want only 3 layers of atoms. So by pressing the wheel of the mouse, you can get different angle views of the plane. We got a rectangular atom layers. Now the platform has been prepared. If you want to give it a colors, you can press here, go to material properties, add new, and you will come with base color. Let's suppose we are interested in this color. So by clicking here, view shading or this, you can see that this color is appear of the like this. Okay, we are not interested in color, so leave it like this, because we will give a colorful particle on its surface. Now one part of our work has been completed. We made one atoms, for example copper atoms. Now we want to deposit on its surface another atoms. For this we will make another sphere, control shift A, so it will give sphere, make it smooth, reduce size to 0.08. In order to give similar uh, size to the basement, we keep the distance same as the this one, because this is 0.086. Now shift A, so go to cube, cube will form a G and then X, so it will start moving along X axis. Okay, we need to reduce size like this. Okay, now this this procedure has been presented in our previous work, that how we will fill this cube with this particle. So go to the material particle properties, add plus, make it 1. As we have already studied in our previous video, that's why I am skipping rapidly. Go to source and volume, make it in form. Okay, and then go to render, select the object, pick the object which you are interested. Let's suppose this one. Okay, now increase the scale and where is, uncheck this, come to view part, uncheck this in order to vanish the surface. Okay, now you can see that the cube has been filled with this particle. If you wanna change the color, select the base particle like this, select the base particle, go to this, add, and change color to blue. From here you can see the color has been changed like this. Okay, and also we want to increase some metallic properties by shining, so increase the metallic. You can see that shine has been increased, and roughness, if you reduce, the shining will be more increased. Okay, now it's already prepared, but we want to make it transform into hexagonal form. Select this, press tab, and come to the bevel, this one, select. Now upward drag upward, so that you will get this type, and then again press tab. Okay, we got this shape, but there are, you can see that there are distance, so we want to vanish the distance between the atom of this layer, these layers. So select this, again come to this and increase the resolution. When you increase the resolution, the distance will be vanish between the atoms. Okay, it's already prepared. Now we just want to move from here to here. Press G and then Y, so it will start moving in the Y direction. Keep press the wheeler of the mouse in order to give different angle view. Again G and press X direction. Okay, now we want to move a little bit more at the center of the platform. Press G and move in Y direction like this. Press Y. Okay, And from the top view we can see that we need a little bit push toward the red line. A red line is actually x-axis, so press G and then press X, it will start with the along the x-axis. Okay, by pressing 7 you can get the top view. Press 7, yeah, it almost at the center. And press 1 you will get the side view. Press 3 you will get the another side view. Okay, so this is our catalyst and deposit on another catalyst. So this is how we prepared our catalyst. And about the shortkeys and more term has been explained in our first video. From there you can get knowledge as well. The description has been given at the comment section. Thank you for your watching. Keep watching in order to update yourself with the other commits of catalyst. Thank you so much.